The basic contention is that there is some old policy of the government of the year 2004, I suppose, where there was some decision taken by the then government that they will not permit such a festival. So that is the ground on which the petition has been filed. And the other concerns which are raised are about cleanliness, waste that will be generated. Those are the grounds which are raised. And the matter is kept for tomorrow now. We are going to file an affidavit and we are going to defend it.
Sir, you have time to file the affidavit, but how and why government given that permission or authority gave that permission to hold that one?
See, government for the purpose of tourism activity, it was one of the major events in the state of Goa, which was being hosted prior to this policy decision of the year 2004. And similar festivals are being held all over the world. And as a tourism promotion activity, the government has taken a decision to have such a festival. That is one reason. Secondly, now it is permissible in law to have such a festival. Earlier, possibly it was not possible to hold such a festival. Therefore, that may be a decision that was taken at that time.
So law has been changed?
Now, according to me, the law that is now standing or that is in force now, it is permissible to have such an activity.